This video will show you how to request tax compliance status on SARS eFiling. Go to the eFiling website www.sarsefiling.co.za and log on to your eFiling profile. Make sure you select the correct portfolio and taxpayer from the drop-down list. Select Tax Status at the top menu. Select Tax Compliance Status on the left. Select Activation. The Tax Compliance Status Service Activation work page will be displayed, and the tax reference number will be pre-populated on the screen. Read the disclaimer and accept it by ticking the checkbox, and then click Activate to proceed with the activation. A message will be displayed to indicate that the initial activation of the service has been successful, and all functionalities will be listed under the Tax Compliance Status menu. To finalize the activation process, you will be prompted to complete the registration verification first. Once the e-filer's registration verification is completed, a successfully activated status will be displayed. Click Continue, after which the Entity Reference Number Confirmation Process page will be displayed. To verify the entity details and tax reference numbers, select Yes on the declaration and click Submit. The confirmation page will be displayed. Click Continue. My Compliance Profile will appear. Under My Compliance Profile, you can check if any non-compliance may impact your overall tax compliance status. The user can then select the Tax Compliance Status Request tab on the Tax Compliance Status page or from the Tax Compliance Status menu. The Tax Compliance Status Request functionality will be displayed. Select the type from the drop-down menu and the list of TCS request types will be displayed. You, as an individual taxpayer, will have the Good Standing and Approval International Transfer options to select, while organizations will only have the Good Standing option to select. The Tax Compliance Status Request form will be displayed to complete and submit. Note: correspondence will be sent to the contact details, email and SMS. The PIN will be issued to the cell phone number once approved. After the Tax Compliance Status Request form has been submitted, a result will be displayed that indicates the request reference number and indicating that the application has been successfully submitted. Select Continue to proceed. The Tax Compliance Status page will be displayed. Expand the Good Standing option and a summary will be displayed of the TCS request submitted. To have your TCS PIN saved or printed, click Select and print or save the document. For more information on the TCS, visit the SARS website on www.sars.gov.za.